Hello, Peeps of the world. My name's Jared, and today we're going to be cooking. It's around 3:07 in the morning, at night. I don't know why people say it's morning. It's kind of stupid. This is nighttime foods. Waking up. This is nighttime foods. So, what should you eat whenever it's, nighttime? And, so, we got some ground rules. Of course, you can't just eat whatever you want. That's, first, you need to know if you're actually hungry or not. If you're just like, hey, I want to eat something, and it's like 2 o'clock, and your stomach's not telling you anything, then you're not hungry. Okay, it's all about the stomach. If the stomach isn't growling, you're not hungry. Okay, just get some water. Sorry, we're good. So that's the first criteria. You have to know if you're hungry. Second criteria, it's gotta be quick, easy, light, light on food, and no sugar. No sugar, no caffeine. This fake apple, might work. One, because it's fake, and two, because, it's an apple, high caffeine. And just no hot sugar, of course. So, let's get on with what you can do. So, first, we gotta go up in size of food consumption. So, first, Pringles. Just quick, light, easy. These are better than actual chips because, if you think of an entire bag of chips, you don't know how many are in there. Even this, it's always 100. Okay? So, usually I should get 3, maybe 4. Get a glass of water. Good. I wish I had peanuts, but I don't have peanuts. Peanuts also work. Just a little handful, maybe a large handful. Just munch on them for 10 minutes. Because it's a peanut. It's fine. Like carb. That's it. Don't be on a diet. Okay? If you're on a diet, please stick with the diet. Okay? I want food. And go do this. Is, man, that's, do your diet. The second thing in snack section. These things. These are croutons. Croutons are pretty nice because, you can see them. By see them, I mean, you can see how big they are. They're just dry bread. Maybe some seasoning, but that's entirely fine. A chip, potato, starchy, whatever. It's this big. You eat a fudge ton. You have a whole bag, and you think, oh, it's not that much, whatever I eat. And then it turns out you ate half of the bag, and you're like, ooh, this, like a small bowl full. And then you can, it's just a chip, but bread. Meat and cheese. Okay, meat and cheese. Just any slice of meat, any slice of cheese. And you just roll it up. Okay, and that's more of it's not like you would think, hey, 40-year-old wives drinking, wine, that's the only time I can have meat and cheese. No, you can have meat and cheese whenever you want. Okay, just think of like raw meat and cheese. No bread, no nothing, just raw meat and cheese. It's really good. Okay. That's if you don't want to go with this. Or with this, my meat paste. You can just have it in the fridge. And of course, when none of these fail, just get a glass of milk. You know, of course keep it small, but a glass of milk, it's liquid, it's fine. You know, you can pair it with any of these and work out. You know, since you have your meat and cheese. But what happens if we're like, instead of waking up hungry, like you wake up, can't get back to sleep, it's an hour and a half. You know, that's whenever you choose those. What happens if like you're just starving, you're really hungry, okay? You're like staying up, it's like 3, pushing 4 o'clock in the morning, right? Like right now, but you stayed up, okay? What you want to do is go into, you know, high quality bagel. Okay, bagel with some cream cheese. Of course, it's good, but it's good as in like a filler thing. It's just a bagel. It's not plain bagel. You need any type of bagel because it's just bagel, but with thin maybe, but it's not extra thin. You know, it's not like, oh, here's a whole hamburger. Here's the works of chili cheese hog. You know, it's just a bagel. You know, it's nice. So bagel, that's like above a snack. This is above like a munchies snack. No, like nibble, you know, this stuff. You can have toast. You know, I was thinking about that recently. You can have toast, as long as you don't have a loud toaster, okay? Because we want fast, efficient, no cooking whatsoever, no microwave, no toaster, no oven, no frying, especially frying. Ew. Don't be frying things whenever, like, especially at this time, unless you work on frying things. But like, don't eat fried things at this time, because this is gross. What's wrong with you? Ew. Now you're so tired, and you just don't think bagel's gonna do it. Like, you're hungry. Like, you had dinner at your friend's house at like 4 o'clock. Well, that's not the usual time you eat. You eat around, you know, maybe like 5 or 6. And you have any snack, no like extra thing. You have an extra lunch. You didn't have like a little extra dinner, and you're just hungry. And it's 2 o'clock, and you're like, I need to eat. Have peanut butter sandwich. Okay, peanut butter. It's just peanut butter. I'm pretty sure it has low sugar. Yeah, total 2-3 grams of sugar. That's gonna do fine, especially in between 2 pieces of bread. It's not gonna like wake you up or anything. You know, it's a peanut butter sandwich. You know, and that's like if you were really hungry. Another thing is salad. Just a little baggy salad. You chop some. Don't chop, because that's too loud. Just chop, you know, like pre-bought lettuce or salad. You just salad, and of course you can pair it with milk. You know, milk's not that much sugar. I mean, it is for me a lot of sugar, but it doesn't ever wake me up. You know, if you're having a hard time sleeping, just take melatonin. If you have insomnia, hi. These ladies. So, of course, this is just my house, but you know, different foods, different everywhere. You just gotta think. You know, I don't want to use any silverware, or if I really have to, I will. Only like 1 or 2. And don't be too loud. No microwave. unless you're really good at, hitting that stop button. But then again, anything in the microwave is automatically like, lunch or breakfast. Think about it. You got the burritos, Hot Pocket, pizza pillows, Jimmy Dean, that type of stuff. That goes in the microwave. It's just a full-blown meal. It's kind of not good for, in the middle of the night. Starter level. It's like, full-blown chicken nuggets or something. So, criteria is low sugar, low caffeine, small, of course. And just, it depends on your level. It depends on your level of hunger. So, like, it's like 12 o'clock and I want a little snacky wack before bed. Here's a Pringle, peanut, this thing, or whatever. Above that is maybe an appetizer. So that would be a bagel, toast, and then above that is a full meal, some salad, peanut butter sandwich, and of course you can pair milk with the, anything above the low snack munchy snack. And if you guys have anything else, slap it in the comments below. Maybe someone will like it. Someone, it's not someone will like it. It's just so much so, like, other people may be like, oh, that is good. Just so there's no camera trickery. So, that's what foods you can eat at nighttime. The next, cooking with Jared, Jared, cooking with Jared, could be a lasagna. I want to make lasagna. Lasagna. Go field. I don't want to go because I'm tired. If you guys want more cooking, thumbs up, I guess. There will be more cooking. Maybe sandwiches coming along, lasagna, maybe rice and curry, because I want to try that. Yeah. So, goodbye, don't die, peace, and eat well. Because I'm still waking up. Okay, so. Oh, man. Meat and cheese. Just